Look at this. Yep. That is the bottom plate of my camera. Trying to focus in. There we go. Again, learning so much about what I can and cannot do, how to make it all work better, and doing a little bit of, there's meception, where I can look at this, but I'm just trying to learn more about what to do. See, like I said before, I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix this, but it may involve taking this plate here, this part here, off and just trying to install a new one, if that's even possible. I don't know that it is, but I would love to see it, so we're gonna see what happens from here.